What else gives you anxiety? The social situations?
Yeah.
Hey, I was live first.
No, you weren't, actually. I was.
Oops.
I thought it sounded good.
I was more impressed how you made up all those lyrics on the spot and it sounded like a song.
He's really good at doing that. He made a whole musical about.
Make a song now. Wilbur's gonna make a song now.
He is.
Oh, you're going in?
Some kind of guitar. I can hear it.
Well, it does sound like that.
I'm literally not doing anything. I'm just sat on
you
my
not?
ass. I'm literally sat on my ass.
But in that case, you gotta fix your mic.
Hi, Fundies chat.
I was not expecting to be in this situation.
Well,
So that's life.
realized something. So Wilbur said in Dream SMP that everything is better with a bow on top when he was talking about blowing it all up, and he also said that in the ARG that he was in with Jack Sucks at Life. Do you know how weird that is? Hello?
The time
no, I'm enjoying Tommy, we haven't hung out like this in a while. It's been kind of cold. I like that, yeah.